Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including Indian Energy Exchange, Sieram Silks, Torrent Pharma, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Sieram Silk Mills Limited. Share is trading around rupees 859. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd February 2025. Indian Energy Exchange Limited IEX share is trading around rupees 163. Indian Energy Exchange announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 31st January 2025. Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Godrej CP, share is trading around rupees 1126. Godrej CP announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd February 2025. Axelia Solutions Limited, Axelia, share is trading around rupees 1508. Axelia Solutions announced a dividend of rupees 50 per each share. 30th January is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Sona BLW Precision Forgings Limited, Sona Comms, share is trading around rupees 516. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.6 per each share. 5th February is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Josh Gauging Technologies Limited, current market price rupees 570. Josh Gauging Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 7th February 2025. Transport Corporation of India Limited TCI share is trading around rupees 993. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4.5 per each share. 30th January is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Optimus Finance Limited share is trading around rupees 209. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Optimus Finance, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is yet to be announced by Optimus Finance. Padam Cotton Yarns Limited share is trading around rupees 181. Padam Cotton Yarns announced a bonus in the ratio 2:3. That means if you have 300 shares of Padam Cotton Yarns, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 500 shares. Ex-date and record date for the bonus is yet to be announced by Padam Cotton Yarns. Godi Plascon India Limited share is trading around rupees 43. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per each share. 1st February is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Torrent Pharma Limited, current market price rupees 3,328. Torrent Pharma announced a dividend of rupees 26 per each share. Record date for the dividend is yet to be announced by Torrent Pharma. Rama Phosphates Limited, Ramapho, current market price rupees 200. Rama Phosphates announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 1000 shares of Rama Phosphates, your 1000 shares convert to 2000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 7th February 2025. Persistent Systems Limited, Persistent, current market price rupees 6058. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per each share. 29th January is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited, current market price rupees 3,500. Anand Rathi announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Anand Rathi, you will get another 100 shares of Anand Rathi as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Record date for the bonus is yet to be announced by Anand Rathi Wealth. Thinking Pictures Limited, current market price rupees 1.2 per share. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 1000 shares of Thinking Pictures, you will get 2000 shares as bonus. So total you will have 3000 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 5th February 2025. Red Tape Limited, Red Tape, current market price rupees 713. Company announced bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Red Tide Limited, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 4th February 2025. IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited, IOLCP, current market price rupees 360. IOLCP announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is yet to be announced by IOL Chemicals. Siemens Limited, Siemens, current market price rupees 5,783. Company announced a dividend of rupees 12 per each share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 30th January 2025. Tips Music Limited, Tips Music, current market price rupees 624. Tips Music announced a dividend of rupees 3 per each share. 28th January is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Indraprastha Gas Limited, IGL, current market price rupees 378. Indraprastha Gas announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 31st January 2025. JBM Auto Limited, JBMA, current market price rupees 1,385. JBM Auto announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 31st January 2025. Mohit Industries Limited, Mohit Ind, current market price rupees 32. Mohit Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 31st January 2025. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.